Hey there! Welcome to Sol, your go-to platform for all things aerial imagery. We've designed Sol to be super user-friendly, so you don't need to be a tech wizard to get the most out of it. From drone snaps to satellite views, panoramas, and even 3D models, Sol shows it all. Just a heads up, not every map will have all these features, but some might have even more. So, let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is to choose what type of imagery you want to see. Click on the menu button near the top right corner of the map to show a list of available imagery and other information. You can choose what type of background you want the map to display. In this map, there are only two choices: OpenStreetMap and no background. Below the background options is a list of other imagery and information you can display. The Show Drone Imagery button is selected by default. This displays a high-resolution map made with a drone. The Show Satellite Imagery button will display high-resolution satellite imagery. In this case, it's from Airbus Pleiades satellite constellation. The Show Panoramas button will place a marker on the map indicating the position from which a panoramic photo was taken. Click on the marker to open a window that will show the panorama. The next button, Show DTM, will display a digital terrain model. A DTM shows the lay of the land with most of the buildings and vegetation removed. Clicking Show DSM will display a digital surface model. A DSM shows the highest point in an area. It's like the DTM, but without the buildings and vegetation removed. If you click Share Photos, Sol will draw markers on the map to indicate the position at which every photo used for creating the map was taken. In this case, it's around 1100 photos. Click on the marker to open a pop-up with a link to view the original 20-megapixel image. To see a contour map of the area, click on Show 1-foot contours. Along the left side of the map, there's a row of buttons. We'll go over each one. The plus and minus symbols let you zoom in and out of the map. The button that looks like a carpenter's square is the measurement tool. It allows you to make linear and area measurements. The next set of buttons are for drawing shapes on the map. You can draw a polygon, a rectangle, a circle, or a point. If you want to edit a shape you drew, click on the Edit button. To download a shape you drew, click on the Download button. You'll have a choice between downloading a GeoJSON file or a KML file. If you want to use your shape with Google Maps or Google Earth, choose KML. If you already have some shapes you'd like to show on the map, click the Upload button. You can upload either GeoJSON or KML files. Last but not least, you can view a 3D model of the area by clicking on the link titled See the 3D Model. And that's it. As you can see, Sol is easy to use, yet offers an unparalleled way to see an area. Thanks for watching and happy exploring.